Working around energized equipment is dangerous. SafeSync by Otterlocks is making it safer. We've spent our careers working around complex equipment and technologies with all types of stored energy. We built SafeSync because operators and affected workers should always know when equipment is locked out, who is working on it, and when it is safe to operate. With SafeSync, workers and safety professionals get that visibility in real time from wherever they are, alongside a complete audit trail of operational insights into downtime and maintenance cycles. We do this by replacing your traditional locks with our smart locks and equipment tags. When a lock is placed on a piece of equipment, a push notification is sent to all affected workers, letting them know the equipment is locked out. Another push notification is sent when the lock is removed and tells affected workers when equipment is safe to operate or if additional locks remain. Our locks and tags communicate with the cloud, and we serve this information to you in real time through our app or an integration with your existing dashboards. This automates all record keeping, creating a continuous record of lockouts in a facility or job site and providing at-a-glance status for all equipment. We leverage your existing processes and procedures so there's no retraining personnel. By using our smart hardware, you start capturing this crucial data immediately and automating communication. No manual logging, no guesswork, no blind spots. SafeSync by Otterlocks. Every lockout, every time.